The 2014 Lincoln MKZ. With sharp angles, sleek lines, and a sculpted body, the Lincoln MKZ has an impressive stance and a dynamic design. Add that to the clean, modern interior with standard features including rich leather, exotic wood, and a sophisticated assistant that responds to the sound of your voice. And you'll see the MKZ offers a new dimension of luxury. And it's priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power sunroof, heated seats, traction control, dual front airbags, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, keyless entry, auto-dimming rear view mirror.